British multinational bank HSBC is also betting big on India. The bank says it wants to be the leading wealth manager in the country. Speaking exclusively to my colleague Yash Jain, Nuno Matos, global head of retail banking and wealth for HSBC, said that the bank will continue to double its investment in the country. Take a look.
We want to be the leading international bank for the emerging affluent, the affluent population and the high net worth population in India, and we are excited to do so. In Asia, we have 4 top priorities, and India is one of those top 4.
We've seen a lot of exits happening in terms of global banks from India. What are you seeing differently from them? And also on the other side, what are still some of the challenges which you see in India as far as your operations are concerned?
We have almost 500 million people in the middle class now in India. In our target, if you want, we want to bank around 40 million customers in India, the emerging affluent and high net worth population. So we are seeing that expansion by the day. And we are seeing the future in this economy. It's a stable economy, political stability, opening up to foreign investment. All things are lining up to be, if you want, one of our major bets. We want to deliver wealth services to our customers. We want to be the leading bank for NRIs. We are the only bank that has presence in the US, the UK, in the UAE, in Singapore, the major corridors for Indians. And also the consumption is growing tremendously in India. We are also lending to them through credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, and we are digitizing our services by the day.
To speak about the retail banking operations, you said 40 million people is the pool that you have that you want to cater to in a country like India. What are your plans in the next 3 to 5 years in terms of getting a good share out of your expertise, that is the 40 million client base that you have? What is the kind of investment also that would really follow your plans here?
Sure. India is receiving a lot of investment from HSBC and will continue to double every year. We continue to make more and more investments to grow our presence in this market. On the wealth space, well, I'm just going to remind some of the things we are doing. We just acquired L&T Investment Management, right? That brought us more than 2 million customers just to start with. And we are going to continue to invest in that asset management business. We are going to launch in 2023 private banking in India, okay? So that's a big event for us. We are going to deliver best-in-class services, best-in-class products. On the insurance side, we want to continue to grow our presence in this market. And we continue to improve our platforms and products for customers. This is on the wealth space. We want to be the leading wealth manager in India. We are also, if you want, increasing our presence on the lending side. We continue to improve our credit card business, our personal loan business, and our mortgage production continues to grow by the day. So these are two very critical areas for us to continue to invest and grow, and you should expect an HSBC much more visible in the market, much more proactive.
Well, with that, time now to slip into a very short break, but coming up on the other side, an exclusive conversation with Uber Senior Vice President Tony West. That's up on the